Sam, what's up guys? Today I am showing some colors behind the show. Woo! First of all guys, I can show you a this red color toy rifle. This is a red color and black color combination toy rifle. Okay guys, see this bezel? Oh my god, what a nice looking rifle guys. Wow, amazing. And how it works? Turn and shoot. Another time, turn and shoot. Oh wow, nice. And this rifle have a red color extended. Okay guys, see this extended? This is a red color.
Yay!
Red color extended, and I assemble it. Okay. So guys, this is the proper rifle. Guys, see? Wow, nice. And how it works? Turn and shoot. Then guys, I show you this ball. This is a tap tennis ball. Okay, we play in cricket. Okay, and tennis. Okay guys, badminton, table tennis. Okay, this is a ball. Okay guys, see this red color ball? Wow, this is look like a granite. Then guys, I can show you this a little shotgun. This is
Yay!
small shotgun. This is yellow, black, yellow, orange, yellow, black, yellow, orange, yellow, black. Okay guys, see this, very cute. Okay, and how it works? Turn and wow, what a sound! Oh my god! Turn and shoot. Another time, turn and shoot. Wow, what a sound, guys. Guys, this is a battery. This is a battery. This is a blue color battery. Okay, guys. And this is a razor. Okay. And how it works? First of all, this razor need this battery. Okay, guys. And assemble. And so, see this different color of razor. Nice. See this? So guys, this is a toy pistol. This is a silver and red color combination toy pistol. And this is nice. How it works? Turn and shoot. Turn and okay guys, nice. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye all.